Hi! Would you like a quick and easy dinner to take up camping? Well, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and today we're going to talk about tinfoil dinners. Now, the wonderful thing about tinfoil dinners is that you can do all the prep work at home before you even leave. That way, when you're up camping, you can enjoy everything that's going on around you without having to try to get dinner ready. All you have to do, pull it out of the cooler, pop it in the coals, and you've got a wonderful dinner for your family. So today I'm going to show you how to fold the tinfoil dinner. Now, there are many ways out there, but we use this method over and over, and it works for us every time. Okay, so to start out, you'll want 2 pieces of about 12 by 18 sized aluminum foil. Now, make sure that you're using the heavy-duty aluminum foil. That will help so you don't poke a hole in it. You'll want the shiny side up, and you'll go ahead and we take cooking spray. You can use butter, olive oil. This is just what we tend to use. Now, I've gone ahead and I've marinated some chicken, and we'll go ahead and put some veggies in there, a little bit of onion, and I've got some potatoes. Now, if you're cooking potatoes or carrots, you'll probably want to cut them a little bit more thin so that everything will cook evenly. From here, you'll want to just fold the 2 sides up so they meet in the middle, and then fold down, and then fold down again, and then one last time, give it a good fold down. And from here, we're just going to fold the sides up. And 1, 2, 3, we'll do that one 4. So you've got a kind of a nice size long burrito shaped. From here, we're going to put it upside down on the foil and just do that same thing one more time. We'll go ahead and fold both sides up to where they meet in the middle. Fold down once, and then fold down again. Okay, then let's crease it. There you go. And let's go ahead and fold the sides up. Okay, so you've got a nice kind of oblong packet that will be perfect for cooking everything evenly. And then we like to just write names on it so you can specify, let's say somebody didn't want onions. This way there's no way that you can get your packets mixed up. Chicken with onions. So that was just a quick video on how to actually fold a tinfoil dinner. Now that you've got that down, I would love to share with you some of my fun tinfoil dinner recipes. So stay tuned. Hit the like button down below and hit our subscribe. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel. And once you subscribe, you can hit the bell and that will notify you when I put those videos out. Take a look at our other videos. And from John and Holly at Let's Go Now Adventures, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.